To fix the Bosch double oven error code E218, it is essential to understand the meaning of this code and the steps required to resolve the issue. Error code E218 typically indicates a problem with the oven's temperature sensor, which is responsible for monitoring and regulating the oven's temperature. First, ensure you have your user manual handy, as it will provide specific instructions for your particular model. If you do not have the manual, you can usually find it on the manufacturer's website. Next, switch off the oven and let it cool down completely. This is a safety precaution to prevent any accidental startups or electrical shocks while you are troubleshooting. Now, locate the temperature sensor, which is usually situated inside the oven, near the top or bottom. You may need to remove some panels or racks to access it. Check the sensor for any signs of damage, such as burn marks or broken wires. If the sensor appears damaged, it may need to be replaced. If the sensor looks fine, try cleaning it gently with a soft brush to remove any food debris or grime that may be interfering with its function. Be careful not to touch any of the sensor's electrical components. Once you have cleaned or replaced the temperature sensor, reassemble any panels or racks you removed and switch the oven back on. Run a test cycle to see if the error code E218 has been resolved. If the error code persists, it may be worth resetting the oven to its default settings. This can usually be done by pressing and holding a specific button combination, which can be found in your user manual. In some cases, the error code E218 may be caused by a more complex issue, such as a faulty control board or a wiring problem. If you are not comfortable with DIY repairs, or if the issue persists after trying the above steps, it is recommended to contact a professional appliance repair technician for assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Bosch double oven error code E218 and get your oven working properly. Again, remember to always refer to your user manual and take necessary safety precautions when troubleshooting and repairing your oven.